Hello and welcome to this new video where we will see how to create a custom logo using this online tool DesignEvo that is free. So you can you can create a logo for free for your company, for your new website, for well, anything you like that needs a logo. So using DesignEvo is very simple. So I already logged in to my account. So if you are not logged in, it might look a bit different. I encourage you to create an account, to sign up and create an account. So you can either start by this simple button, make a logo. You can also use some of their logo ideas. So if you have no idea where to start, what to use, which direction to take to design your logo, you can use some of their trends or their themes. And if you have time, also you can read these tips. So, for example, how to resize the logo image in pixel, create a signature logo, and much more. So they have a lot of content. I will of course let you browse through it. So, for example, let's say let's say that I created a new pet website for my dog, a new blog for my dog. So it's just an idea, of course. Your logo needs might be very different, but the process is the same. You might start by looking at the trends. So, for example, I just said that I want to create a logo for my pet. So, pop. There is no right here. There is no pet content, but there is a wolf logo. So, let's have a look at the wolf logo and see what they offer. So, here directly you have a lot of logos that are ready to use. Of course, so you can browse through them. They are all very different. They all look great. So as you can see, if you have an ID, if your ID is part of the logo IDs proposed, it's very simple. And all you have to do is select the logo you want, and after you can always personalize everything with their YB editor. What you see is what you get. So you just drag and drop and then play on the website to customize your logo. So, meanwhile, before we go to the selection of one logo, I encourage you to put a thumbs up if you like this video, uh, to uh, to um, to subscribe to my channel, to activate the bell to get notified of new videos, and of course to again to create an account at DesignEvo. There's a link in the description, and of course to get if you have professional needs, to get a pro account. We will have a look later how much it costs. So you can have a look at predefined trends, or you can create a logo from scratch, which is what we will try to do. So I click on make a logo. Whoop. And here, if I click on make a logo, so here I have the logos I already created, or I can browse through the templates. So here I clicked on templates, and here I have well, tens of categories of templates. And so in my case, I want to create a logo for my dog's blog, so I will directly go to animal and pet. So you will most likely find a category for the logo you want to, the type of logo you want to create. If I click on animal and pet, I directly have a lot of predefined logos, or I can simply choose one. Or if I kind of know what I want, I can also search from the template. So here, for example, I can search for dog. And here, if I search for dog, there is a lot of logos ready for dog. So, for example, my dog is a Westie, so I will have a look. I will be more precise and see if they have logo for Westie. And they don't have a Westie. It's maybe a too narrow search. But for example, it's a West Highland White Terrier. Maybe if I search for Terrier. No, I don't know Terrier. Okay, so I will just go back to dog. And so my dog is white, so maybe I want a logo where the dog is white or can be white, so I don't want too many various colors in the logo. I want to keep it simple, so I can keep it white and something. And of course, I want a dog that kinds of looks like Westie, so a West Highland White Terrier. Pop. This is all different. This is a poodle. These are all different dogs. Ah, This could be very good actually. Wow, this looks like a very good possibility. So when you see a logo that you kind of like but you are not sure, before selecting this logo, so of course you can add it to your favorites if you are logged in by clicking this heart button, or if you click on similar, poof, you will get a list of logos that are similar, more similar than to this specific logo that you just selected. So here I'm having a look again. What could kind of look like a Westy, if there is a better logo than the one I just saw. I am browsing. So as you can see, you have so many logos. You can spend your day browsing through logos and choosing one pre-made logo. Of course, you can after customize and make whatever you want with it. So nothing looks. Oh, this could be nice. Also, actually, this could be nice. So the first one, I will select the first one, and I will customize it. When you select logo to customize it, it opens in a new window. And here you get the editor that opens. So you can literally change everything. So here there is a picture, there is a red background, there is this picture of dog. Actually, it's two pictures. I can can I ungroup? Pop, pop, pop. No, so they are grouped, okay. But here, yeah. So here I have one picture of dog in front of one picture of pose, and so for example, I will want my dog to be white inside, and I don't know yet which color on the borders, but here I can pick the color. So you can see here there are two colors in this logo, the orange and the beige or whatever this is, and you can see these are the two colors used in this picture that is selected. So I want the inside to be white, so I simply select the white, and I want the outside, the border to be I don't know, let's say more brown, more brownish. Okay. Oh, and there's a nice effect to it actually. There's a degradé. Okay. I want also to update the paw color. I want the paw to be more dark, like this. Okay. Yeah, dark gray. And I want the background. I want the background to be white. So to get the white background, here on the left side I have various options. So I can uh, add icons from the icon library. I can add text where I have various fonts and art, text art. I can draw shapes. Yeah, there are a lot of shapes you can add to customize your logo. And here I can change the background. So I want, let's say I want a transparent background. I like transparent backgrounds. It's easier for web to embed the icon in other pictures. Okay, and that's nearly it. So then I can simply add my company name, my slogan if I want. So my company name, I also want to change the color of this text. So maybe I want both kind of, oh, this. So here are actually the first colors are the colors that were used before. Let's say I want some brownish. So I don't find the color I like. So if I don't find the color I like, I simply click the plus icon here, and I have an HTML color selector. So if I know the HTML color code, I can simply paste it here. And if I don't know it, I can browse here, so through the rainbow to find the color shade I want. And here I have some more brownish. Yeah, I want something more brownish. Yes, perfect. Here I found a brownish color. I can, of course, change the font I'm using, but this one that was given with the logo is fine. But you can browse through them, or yeah. So you can browse through the existing fonts. You can also play with the size. Hop. So you see it's very simple. You can also type in the size you want. I come back to the previous one. No, 51. Okay. And you can also play with text, so put it in bold, in italic, uppercase, lowercase, add some effect, an outline, change the opacity. Here, if you add an outline, so it adds something, color around the letters. You can add a shadow or a glow, but that's maybe a bit too much for my logo. and format. So change the spacing, line 8 and curve. But I will leave it like here. So now that I selected the color, I can change the company name. So my Westy, for example, is called Rexy. So Rexy, and my blog will be called Rexy's blog. Rexy's blog. And here you can add a slogan. For the slogan, I will also change the color. Use the maybe not the same color as the title, something a little more light like this. Okay, and I will put it best Westy ever. Okay, and here that's all. So I have my logo in less than 10 minutes. I have my logo ready. When it's ready, of course you can save it. So you need, of course, an account to save it. So if you are not logged in, if you didn't create an account, I encourage you to create an account. Save it. Here, my changes are saved, and I can simply click on this button to export. So here you get the different prices, so you can select your currency. Because I am located in Poland, it offers me a Polish zloty, otherwise you can use US dollars. Yeah, and to download your logo, so you have the basic logo for $24.99 with high resolution logo that you can use to print on a poster, on a real life advertisement, on a lot of things. You get also, of course, a transparent PNG. You can edit, re-download. You have lifetime support. It's ready to print. You don't get vector files. So if you want to get vector files, you need to upgrade to the 49.99 US dollar package, where you can get vector files. You can download the font files, and you get the copyright ownership. So this is a one-time payment. So if you pay once, you have your account for a lifetime. So you can create then as many logos as you want. So I encourage you to use the plus account. So choose this one, and yeah, and there, if you didn't pay yet, all you have to do is pay, and or if you have a coupon, you can use the coupon. So yeah, that's all you have to do, and then you can simply download your logo. So that was it. I hope this was helpful and simple to create your logo. And yeah, so have a look at DesignEvo. This is very good and simple, easy to use tool to create logos. So for example, just to give you an idea. So this was an example. If I go back up to the DesignEvo main page, yep, if I go to make a logo, you will see the logos that I have created and I am using on some websites. If I go to my logos here, so Rexy blog. So this was just an example, but these are all the logos that I've created and that I am using on some websites. So it's very simple to create a logo and to download it. So let me know in comments if you are using this logo, if this was useful to you. Yeah, and again, so create an account to DesignEvo. Don't hesitate to get a better plan to download your logos, to be free to do as much as you want with them, create as many logos as you want. And let me know if you have any question. In any case, thank you very much for your attention, and see you soon for a new video.